Hey guys, are you looking for an economic dump trailer? Then this is the trailer you need. This is the EZ7 economic dump trailer. With two 7K axles and a single per cylinder rated at 15,000 pounds, it comes in bumper pull only length options of 12, 14 and 16 foot long. With 83 inches, 19-inch 12-gauge sides, let's look at all the features it has to offer. The trailer I'll be reviewing today is the 14-footer with 19-inch sides with the 7K axles. Starting here at the front, we have a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler rated at 17,000 pounds, 3 8-inch grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, a 7-way all-weather wiring harness, a spring-loaded drop jack light rated at 12,000 pounds, a mega lockable toolbox which houses battery and pump, and on this side we have a standard spare tire mount and a optional spare tire. Our nicely designed neck bus tongue and mainframe are both made of an 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 13 pounds per foot. The dump features a 2x4-inch 11-gauge tubing and manual tarp kits are standard on our dumps. Three-inch channel cross members spaced at 16 inches apart and a single per cylinder rated at 15,000 pounds for the lift system. For the running gear, we have two 7K Lippert electric brake easy lube spring axles with template tires on 16-inch black mold wheels. At the rear, it has a functional three-way door which you can use as normal barn doors or as a spreader gate to spread gravel or sand. Opening the doors, you have these D-rings to lock your door in so it won't come down as you unload. For securing cargo, it has 4 D-rings welded inside the dump and also the manual tarp kit as previously mentioned. Two 6-foot-long 3-inch channel sliding ramps rated at 4,000 pounds and optional is a pair of stabilizer stands. For the lighting, we have these nice big DOT approved technique LED lights, marker lights here at the rear and also along the side for extra visibility. With all our other trailers, this trailer goes through a 6-step painting process which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat finish, making sure that the paint is durable and top quality with 5 color options to choose from. We also got a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus all our trailers are certified by the NATM, giving you peace of mind that when you buy our trailers, it will be top quality. For more information, please check out our website horizontrailers.com. I'll see you on the next one.